Now that we've emailed the job card to the contractor, the next thing we want to do is set ourselves a maintenance or a follow-up reminder. So you can do that by going to the ticket details tab on the maintenance ticket dashboard. And then you'll see the default reminder date was set to the 4th of January. Now, this is because on my maintenance settings, the default follow-up time in days is 2 days. So whenever you open the ticket, the default follow-up date will be 2 days later. However, you can override this at your heart's content. So if you want to change this to 4 days later, or even if you want to change it to the same day. So if you want to follow up later the same day, you change it to the 4th and you click Save Changes. Now this reminder date is the date on which this ticket will appear on your main maintenance reminders follow-up reminders dashboard. So if I refresh this query, well, yeah, you'll see this Swanridge 51, the one that we've just been working on, is now on my reminders dashboard. So whenever you log into the system, the tickets that are showing here are the ones that have reached or surpassed their ticket reminder date. And it's only showing maintenance tickets that are unresolved and resolved. So obviously resolved, as I explained in a previous video, is maintenance tickets where there are still some actions outstanding, such as sending a document, a quote, or invoice to a party, or maybe waiting for a quality control inspection. So you can still set reminders on resolved tickets as well. And of course, any unresolved tickets where you are waiting maybe feedback from a contractor. So if you have a look at this, this is the query that you want to try and clean on a daily basis. If you keep your reminders dashboard clean every day, you should rarely be in trouble with any one of your clients. So now, if you look at this query, you'll see there is an option to go directly to the ticket from here, or there's an option to postpone this reminder with 1 day. So if I click on this, it will basically extend the reminder date with 1 day, and then tomorrow this ticket will show up on my dashboard again. Now, one other thing I want you to note is that you can enable this option to receive a daily reminders email, and that email will contain sort of a summary of your dashboard, including the 20 highest priority maintenance tickets that are on your follow-up reminders dashboard for that day. Let's have a look at what that email will look like. So here's an example of a typical daily summary report. So you can see it says that I've got 11 unread emails, 1 inspection reminder, in other words, a reminder that I've set for a specific property to schedule an inspection. And then I've got the top tickets that I should follow up on. So here we've got the property name, tenant name, as well as the log date and the latest action. So typically it will only show 20. So if you've got more than 20, it will show the total number of reminders, in this case 68. So it's just going to remind me to log in and follow up on all of these calls. So now all I want to do is open the maintenance ticket, check what needs to happen. So in this case, I sent the job card to the contractor. I've not heard anything yet, so maybe I want to follow up with the contractor. So I'll say email contractor. All right, and then I can just click send and close. So now that I've done my follow-up for the day, I can set my next reminder date. So let's set it for the 6th.